Hey friends, Gary here, introducing the Collective Gallery. Submit your photos and get a chance to be featured on one of my videos. In this series, I want to encourage you to have fun with photography, to take more pictures and share your best work with us. The goal with this series is to inspire each other in the photography community so that we don't just obsess about camera gear all the time, but we actually use our cameras and lenses, go out, take some pictures, and have some fun. To participate, simply go to this link right here. I will also provide a QR code right here, or you can go to the clickable link on the description below, submit your photo, and tell a little bit of a story about that picture. Why do you like it? Why is it so interesting? What's most challenging about capturing this photo? And so on. All camera formats are welcome, including smartphone. However, no nudity, no violence, no politics, no 18+ contents. Also, make sure that it is your best work. Everything is well exposed, it's sharp, and just overall proper picture. Anyway, I will see you soon on the first episode. Meanwhile, keep taking pictures and have fun with photography. Thank you.